Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week, and welcome to this new video here on Cardano. I covered this on Monday. Did I cover this on? No, I did not cover this on Sunday. Sunday obviously was when we got that great news of a strategic crypto reserve in the US, including Cardano. So that caused a huge pump, as you can see right here, of about 72%, which is pretty crazy. But I covered it Monday morning, and what we said back then to do a bit of a recap on my previous analysis is that it's obviously bullish, but I did not expect us to break above this level here at 1.15 and 1.1. I personally also sold my Cardano position. I opened after the news at that level, and in the end, that was a good call, right? And then yesterday was a pretty bearish day, as most of you know. We retraced the entire move, or Monday into Tuesday was a very bearish day. We retraced the entire move we made on Sunday. But Cardano, to be fair, to dive into the analysis, is actually holding on relatively well. I mean, yes, we found resistance at the top of the range we had basically since the end of November. So that was, I mean, in general, that was a very strong resistance level. So it was going to be very tough to break out above that. But overall, I mean, we did manage to hold the bottom of the consolidation range we had also since December, right here, around 85 cents. And that was our previous resistance level. So Cardano definitely, after the news, has been able to actually secure some sort of a better structure here, whereas I would say Solana has not been able to do that. If you compare Solana right now to what it was doing in December and January, it's ridiculously bearish. And XRP is in the same structure. Kind of a similar story as Cardano. So Cardano in general, very strong right here. I think we have actually, at least on the short term, we have actually been able to solidify some sort of a bottom right here at 80 cents, around that level, of course. But that means that I think it's most likely right now that Cardano is back in this consolidation range between 1.15 and 80 cents. And I do not think, under the current fundamentals and the way that Bitcoin is moving right now, that we will give up that range. All right, so I think we have found a strong bottom. I do not expect us to drop down below that bottom. Now, of course, that is dependent a little bit on the fundamentals around the markets, right? There's a lot going on right now regarding trade wars and just in general geopolitical tension. So it is dependent on that not escalating. But the stock market seems to be bouncing slightly here. Gold has dropped down a little bit. There seems to be a little bit more positive sentiment and momentum in the geopolitical space. So I don't think we will break out for now. At least given current information, we will not have a bearish breakout. The big question then becomes, well, can we have a bullish breakout? And that's what I wanted to focus on in this last part of the video. First of all, if you take a look at Cardano right now, after the news, we did see some sort of fundamental influx of both trading volume, as you can see here on the right, and just in general value, even though the TVL is so correlated with the price of ADA, that it's not really a valuable metric in this case, at least not over the course of 3 days, which is the time span we're working with. So fundamentally, bit of an increase, but we don't know whether that's sustainable. And then if we take a look at Cardano right here, look, what we're seeing is that the main resistance level at 1.1, 1.15 is still quite far away. Cardano is still losing volume right here. We did gain some volume over the course of yesterday, of course, but in general it's losing volume. We have some momentum, but there's no sustained open interest gain either. So at this point of time, if I would have to say a bullish breakout or a bearish breakout, I would say the bullish breakout, but I don't think that's most likely either. I think it's more likely we will actually get back up to 1.05 and 1.1. And that we will reject back down, all right, and that we will remain stable right here between 81 cents and 1.1 until we get some breakthrough news regarding the strategic crypto reserve or something else. For example, on Friday we have the crypto White House summit. I think if we get some very bullish news there, then we could actually break out. But that's something I'll keep you updated on, and expecting a breakout because of that right now is pure speculation, all right? Because we don't know what will happen. We don't know what they'll say. I'll keep you updated on that. But for now, I'd say this, a short-term bullish momentum, but a rejection from 1.1, a drop back down into 95, 90 cents, and just in general stability. I would say that's most likely. So those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.